Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome back to Technox City. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So we have two phones in the studio. So first of all, it's been a month or so since the last video was uploaded, and I have two devices over here, and we are going to unbox one of these in this video. First, let me check if both of the devices are of the same color. It would be somewhere here. Yeah, both of them are space black, as you can see, and device is Realme 8i, and there are some key specs given on the back. For now, let me keep a device aside and let's focus on this one now. So Realme 8i, the box says #1 quality smartphone brand. Yeah, every brand is #1 in one or the other way, the way they mentioned it on the device boxes. And on the right there is Realme 8i, on left Realme 8i, behind a few key specs and some box content details on the bottom, and there is some barcode on the top. So for now, let's read out the key specs. Processor is Helio G96, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 5000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel AI triple camera, 18 watt fast charging. They've given 5000 mAh battery, but then 18 watt fast charger wouldn't be like a good idea to go with, I guess, because it will take a lot of time to completely charge up. Ultra fast side fingerprint, yeah, power button mounted fingerprint scanner, I guess. So that's it. Let's get into the unboxing. So for now, let me cut open the plastic cover. So first, let me just cut it from the sides. That would be easier. We can just cut the seal as well. It's been a long time since we unboxed the device. I also forgot how to. I damaged the board also. I mean, beep. So we'll remove the cover, and the seal is not cut open yet, so we'll do that as well. Seal is broken, and now let's open the box. So on the top it says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." I already own a Realme phone, so that's nothing. There is a case inside and a few bit of documents, and nothing else inside this. There might be a pin inside, so we'll have to open it. Yeah, there's a SIM injection tool, a case, and a few memos to read later. And now there's device itself over here. Let me pick it up from this side. The device, let me keep that aside for a moment. There's 18 watt charger. Feels heavy, but then it's just 18 watt, so I don't know how long would it take to charge the phone completely. And there's a cable that is USB to Type-C, a Type-C cable, and that's all you get in the box. For now, let's move this aside and turn on the phone. Let me keep this one as well. So here is the phone. Let me just peel this. And what was the color's name? Space black, I guess. Where was it? On the back side, right? Space black, yeah. This is how space black looks. Kind of grayish. I don't know what we call it. Let me just remove this completely and put it inside the box. That's done, and looks beautiful, but then let's see how powerful and how good it is. Let me just turn this on. Hopefully it has some juice. Yeah, it's on. Let me put a case on it. Doesn't feel that heavy though, but yeah, 5000 mAh battery, so there will be a little bit of weight. So with the case, looks good. For now, let me just wait for the phone to turn on, and then we'll also have to skip the video while setting it up. So let me just set up the phone and be back in a moment. So guys, the phone is all set to go. Let's click on get started, and a few notifications with sounds. All set. Okay, Google on the left, and yeah, let me first change the wallpaper. Static wallpapers, some good color. Okay, this one looks clean. Let me have that. click on back. I don't know what happened. The phone just freezed after just coming out of the box. Oh my god. Okay, so the RAM and storage thing, let me just check that. What just happened? Okay, lock. So fingerprints working fine. Now let me go to the settings, go down to about phone, and as you can see, 4GB RAM, 64GB variant with 47GB available storage, and Helio G96 Realme version 2.0 out of the box, and Android 11. So that's cool. For now, let's go back and add the, let me just check the refresh rate. We have 120Hz refresh rate on the device, and maybe because you're watching it on 60Hz, I don't know if it's gonna be visible. Let me just go back and check. This is 120Hz ultra smooth display. It actually feels smooth because I am used to using 60 and 90Hz first time on 120Hz display. Now let me just go back and set it back to what do you call, the auto select, because that would be preferred because to save the battery and would give a better battery life. So this was the unboxing of Realme 8i. Let me just check the camera sample. Agree and continue. While using the app, allow. Why would camera access phone calls? I don't know. Let's just check what's the quality, and let me just agree and continue. Everything is readable, clear and fine. Consumer complaint assistance, yeah, that's cool. Front camera, let me just check. So this is me sitting on here with, oh, my hair is actually good. That's fine, let me just turn it around. And yeah, this is the unboxing of Realme 8i, guys. Hit that like button if you like the video, and comment down below what else would you like to watch. And yeah, like and comment to just increase the engagement, because the video's been a long time. Yeah, that's it. Meet you in the next one. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye. Thanks for tuning in.